Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. You can watch till the end, guys. I have a pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy. So that may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind, Virgos. So let's start the reading with these cards here. We have Six of Wands, Five of Wands, and King of Wands. So Virgos, today you are a person ready for action. So whatever you think or plan for your life, maybe in your work or in this relationship, you take the first step and you move towards action. And maybe today you are making a lot of efforts in your work, maybe, or in this relationship. You are trying hard, doing your best today, and maybe you want to succeed in this relationship. You want this person to understand you, and you are fighting for this person, fighting for this love, and you are making a lot of efforts. And or it may be a situation in your career, so you are doing everything possible for you, doing your best, trying really hard to reach success, maybe in some projects or assignments, whatever it is. You are proceeding in a positive way, and you have your hope and dreams coming towards you, guys. And maybe on certain things you are getting a happy news, maybe in some projects it may reach completion and you are happy, you are celebrating for this happy news. Or it may be a situation in this relationship, maybe both of you share a beautiful understanding, and this relationship is moving towards marriage or a deep commitment. Maybe you are engaged or you are getting married. So some positive changes are happening in your relationship, guys, or in your work situation. Some positive changes are here today, guys, Virgos, for you all. So though you are facing some troubles, maybe some you need to work hard, you are putting lot of efforts, but your efforts are being crowned with success, and you need not worry, because you are reaching success and prosperity in your life, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It's Four of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe you want to make this connection work. You really love this person, you want to be with them. So in order to make it go, guys, in order to make this relationship a deep one, a positive one, maybe a meaningful connection, you need to think wisely and decide accordingly, guys. Think of your situation and take proper decisions. So if you want this connection to last long, you need to be really wise in the way you speak or the way you decide today for this love, for this person, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Star. So Virgos, you are someone who has a lot of dreams and goals, and maybe today you are moving positively towards the dreams and goals you have, and you are seeing a bright and prosperous future, guys, in your career situation. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards and two crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card so that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation, we would have done something we regret. We would have hurt someone, maybe. Or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us. And by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.